Today is 3rd of March, and we are going to start a new topic, compound compound interest. Compound interest. So in the previous section, we have learned that the amount of simple interest one has to pay depends on the amount of money borrowed. That is, the principal, the interest rate per annum, and the loan period in years. For simple interest, the interest earned every year is the same because it is calculated based on the original principal. Now, what happens if the interest is compounded yearly? This means that after each year, the interest earned will be counted in the new principal to earn more interest. The formula to calculate the compound amount is A is equal to P into 1 plus rate of interest R upon 100 raised to the power n, where where A where A is the amount compound amount. You know, P is the principal amount, principal amount, or the main amount which we deposit at the bank. R is the rate of interest, R, and N is the time period. N is time period. So by this formula, we can calculate the compound amount A. To find the compound interest, we will subtract the principal amount from the compound amount. I is equal to A minus P. So this is the formula to calculate the compound amount or compound interest. Now have a look at the difference between the simple and the compound interest. Difference. What is the difference? Difference between simple and compound interest. I am giving an example. Suppose that someone deposits 1,000, oh, one is missing, $1,000 in a bank for 3 years. So the time period is 3 years. Doesn't matter, we write T or we write N here. In simple interest, we write T for the time period. In compound, we write N. So the time period is 3 years. Now, if the bank offers a simple interest, we are doing case A. Case A, bank offers simple interest. The bank offers simple interest. The interest rate is, suppose, 2% per annum. Per annum means per year or annually. So the simple interest will be, we know the formula to calculate the simple interest. I is equal to P RT upon 100. So put the values. P is 1,000. The rate of interest R is 2, time period is 3 years upon 100. Cancel the zeros. 10 into 2 into 3, it means $60. The simple interest is $60. Now, if the bank offers compound interest, case B, bank offers compound interest. If the bank offers compound interest, then the interest will be, the conditions are same. First, we will find the compound amount. Use the formula A equals to P into 1 plus R upon 100 whole power n. Principal amount is 1000. Rate of interest is 2. Time period 3. So the answer will be $1,061.208. So $1,061.208 is the compound amount one will get after 3 years. So interest, his interest will be, interest or profit will be calculated by subtracting the principal amount from the compound amount. Principal is 1000. Now you can see the simple interest was $60, whereas the compound interest is little bit more than the simple interest, $61.2. So this calculation clearly shows that compound interest gives more profit than the simple interest. Now let's do practice now 12. Practice now 12. Your book page number is 129. Question 1. Question 1. So in this question, the principal amount is given. The principal amount is $3,000. The principal amount is $3,000. Time period is 4 years. And the rate of interest is 5% per annum compounded annually. So it's compound interest. Now the solution is apply the formula. First we find the compound amount. A equals to P into 1 plus R upon 100 whole power n. The compound amount is equal to, principal amount is 3000, 1 plus the rate of interest is 5 over 100. The time period is 4 years. So this will give you $3,646.52, the compound amount. It means the interest will be, the interest, compound interest can be calculated by subtracting the principal amount from the compound amount. So the profit is 646.52 dollars. I hope it's clear enough. Now, your assignment is your homework of the day is question number 9, 10, and 11 of exercise 5C. You know my WhatsApp number. You can send, if you face any problem, then you can send the image of the question on my WhatsApp 0331 2440696.